Hi friends, this video shows how to adjust the depth of MetaQuest 3 headset. First we have to move these arms to side, so we will get some space to adjust the depth. Inside, in both left and right side, we can see this depth adjustment button. We can press this button and here we can see 4 levels. So we have 4 levels of adjustments we can do here. So right now it's in level 2. We can press this button, then push. See, now it's went to level 1. So let me check this side. So here also you can see same button and then 4 levels. So right now in level 2. So let me just press this button, and we can push. See, now it's in level 1. So we get around 6 centimeter, right? So beginners can adjust this depth using 2 hands. First let me do this side. With one hand press that button. So it's very difficult to show that. Let me show this way. So we can use one finger to press this button, and using second hand we can pull this up. Press and pull. See. So this side you can see depth has increased. So let me measure it. You see we get around 7 centimeter. So let me do the same thing on this right side. With the one hand press that button, then using other hand just pull. You can see now it's in level 2. Again pull, press and pull, press, then pull, pull again. Now it's in level 3. Press and pull. See, now this is in level 4. And this side also it's in level 4. You can see in level 4, and here also in level 4. So if you measure the depth, see, so we get around 7 centimeter. So if you want to reduce the depth, you can press this both buttons, then just push. Done. See, now you can see in level 1. Let me push again. See, now in level 1. This side, that is in level 1. Okay, so this way we can adjust this depth. Okay, just push this button, then lift this up. So you can do the same thing on both sides. Okay, so I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please subscribe this channel, please like and share the video.